Myself, JVN Dr. Arun Kumar Singh, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapith, Women's University, Jaipur. I welcome to all of you in my digital class. We will discuss the topic, practical session topic, study of common insect vectors. Vectors, common vectors and disease. Mosquito, housefly, sandfly, etc. are common vectors. Cause disease: mosquito, malaria, filaria, viral encephalitis. Example is Japanese encephalitis and viral fevers. Example is dengue and West Nile. Housefly, typhoids and paratyphoids fever, diarrhea, dysentery, cholera, amoebiasis, anthrax, etc. And sandfly caused by following disease: kala jars, oriental sores, sandfly fevers and ori fevers. Transmission of disease: direct contacts, mechanical, biological, etc. Mode of contacts and integrated vector control approaches. No single method is likely to provide a solution in all situations. The present trend is to adapt a IVC approach, integrated vector control approach. Vector control approach combining two or more methods with a view to obtain maximum results with minimum efforts. Integrated vector control approach is the present trends for vector control, defined as utilization of all appropriate technological and management techniques to bring out an effective degree of vector suppressions in a cost effective manner, and also to avoid the overuse of one of the methods. Selection of methods is not possible without detailed field information on the ecology, bionomics of vectors, role of disease transmissions. Okay, and biological methods. Natural enemies into the environment includes insects, virus, bacteria, fungi, protozoa and fishes. Only two of them have become widely employed. They are larvivorous fish and biolarvicides. Okay, biological control: larvivorous fish and larvivorous fish feed on mosquito larvae. Easy, practical, cheap. They have no food value and they should have the following characteristics: preference for mosquito larvae over other types of food, small size, high reproductive rate and tolerance to pollutions, temperature fluctuations and transpirations. Two species are widely used: gambusia and gappo. Okay, thank you students. Next genetic control methods. Genetic control methods such as esterly male techniques, cytoplasmic incompatibility, chromosomal translocation, sex distortions and gene replacements. Limitations of common insect vectors: lack of mating competitiveness, released males and immigrations of fertile females from regions close to the release sites. Okay, thank you students.